aluminium finish, as you can see on the device. So you have a set of soft keys around the device, front-facing camera, power button on the top, rolling back the device, so you see the aluminium body, holes for the surround sound on the back, 5 megapixel camera. Inside the battery cover you will have access to SIM card and micro SD card. So the device comes with 32 gig internal memory, but there is a micro SD slot, so you can increase again the memory with a micro SD card. And in a standard micro USB at the bottom, which can also be used with an accessory. You can output to HDMI as well, if you wish so. Going into the device itself then, so we're going to find in there the special HTC Sense for tablet. So it's still the HTC DNA as we know it on Sense for smartphones, but it's been optimized on the tablet to make use of the full screen. So for example, the weather has been optimized to give you more detailed information with quite interesting video if you want to run. There is also a 3D look and feel. If you see what I'm swapping, you can see the widgets are slightly rolling away in a 3D fashion. And then you access the home screen so that you can customize it in the same way that you would do on an HTC smartphone. Get widget for your pictures, whether you've taken them just on the device or if they come from a social network. Email widget, and then we can see this has been worked out so that you can display all your emails account, reader, so that you can read any books. We've got a partnership with Kobo Books to get plenty of titles anywhere you will have access to the device. One of the key features then on the device is come with the accessories, which is the pen. So we've worked on the note application with Scribe technology, where you can actually use the capacitive pen to work with the display to take some notes. So in the note, of course, you can use standard keyboard with various languages, but you can actually use the pen, as I was saying, so you can set a different type of pens or markers, whatever you want to draw or brush. You can specify size or color, so you can customize it quite well. So you can use it to write, which I won't do just right now because I'm backward, or just do any drawing you wish to do around there. So of course you can type, draw on the device, or you can also take pictures and add them to your note, attach some files, and very clever, the time mark features will enable you to record what you are doing on the notes, so that if you are in a meeting with lots of information, lots of people, you need to write a lot of things, the device will actually record what you are currently doing, if you are doing drawings just right now, or also what I'm currently saying, so that I can then retrieve this information later on and take the time to properly write down my notes when I'm back in the office or back at home. So the notes can actually be synced with your calendar, so if you do any notes while you're in a meeting, it will be synced to your meeting event. But generally they can be synced to the Evernote cloud system. So all the notes you're having would be synced back to the Evernote cloud system, so you can retrieve them wherever you are. They are backed up. You can access them from a PC, from a smartphone, running the Evernote client. But you can also use the pen anywhere else on the device. So I can actually, if I wish, even update, create a funny screenshot of my device in here, and then just edit that, customize it for today in Barcelona, and then share it via any different social media or email accounts I can have set up on the device. So that works on the interface of the device. That can be really convenient if you are on a website. So if we have a quick look at the browsing experience on the device, so for example here on the HTC website, if there is a phone, I think we are mentioning already the Incredible S here, and you say, oh, that's really interesting, I'm interested by that, we should do an article on that, then you have a note of that and you can share it with your workmates. While we are on the browser, I can show you some specifics of browser experience. So you can have multiple window browsing, so you can create several windows, and each of them you can access them in the overview. So you will see what's the latest status of the windows currently you're browsing. So while I'm there, you see it has updated the timeline, so it knows what's the latest I'm currently doing, what I can do another search on the Google search page.